Hi everyone. Today we're going to overview Module 3, Beginner's Guide to Eating Healthy. To start off, let's look at the 5 characteristics of a healthy diet. These are adequacy, variety, balance, moderation, and nutrient dense. Adequacy refers to consuming enough nutrients in your diet. In other words, are you getting enough vitamins, proteins, lipids, etc.? The next characteristic is variety. Variety means that you choose different foods from day to day. So you don't want to have baked chicken and rice every day for lunch. Switch it up. Then we have balance. Eating a balanced diet means consuming foods from all food groups. So when you're planning a meal, try to include a mix of veggies, fruits, grains, dairy, and protein. Or, if say you're lactose intolerant, you can still get those nutrients common in dairy products and other foods. Next, be sure to practice moderation in your diet. Even healthy foods like our fruits and vegetables need to be eaten in moderation. Too much of anything, even water, can be harmful to our bodies, so make sure to control the portion sizes. The last characteristic of a healthy diet is nutrient dense. But what is nutrient density? Nutrient dense foods contain lots of vitamins and minerals compared to a relatively low number of calories. On the flip side, energy density refers to foods that contain lots of calories per gram compared to nutrient dense foods. Let's look at some examples. By comparison, okra is more nutrient dense than potato chips. But between those two foods, which one is more energy dense? If you guessed potato chips, then you would be correct. Other energy dense foods and drinks would be nuts,
Candy.
and fried chicken. Other nutrient dense foods and drinks would include spinach, broccoli, and skim milk. A fun acronym to help you remember the 5 characteristics of a healthy diet is all veggies bring more nutrients, or adequacy, variety, balance, moderation, and nutrient dense. It's important to remember that a healthy diet is not a one-size-fits-all. Everyone's situation is different and has its own needs. Therefore, each individual should assess what they need based on the science, not on what the people around them look like or eat. Next, let's look at a great way to help us understand what we're consuming so we can eat healthier and happier. I think most of us recognize a nutrition facts label. In fact, according to the FDA, 87% of adults in the US are familiar with a nutrition facts label. But what do all those words and percentages mean? Let's give a really brief overview of the nutrition facts label. First, let's start at the top. There we can see the serving size information. More specifically, it tells us how much is in one serving and how many servings are in the container. Then we can observe the total calories in one serving. Below that, it lists a bunch of nutrients with percentages beside them. These percentages are the percent daily values of those nutrients. The percent daily values tell you how much a nutrient is adding to your diet for the day, and the percentage is in reference to the recommended daily amounts for that nutrient. We will go over more in this module, but hopefully these few points will give you an idea of what to expect.